Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. This week's video is a poll. I want to hear from you about which of the many projects that I have on the go you want to see me finish first. What's the next major project video you want to see on this channel? I have various things in various states of completion and another thing in the line, and so I want to let you guys pick because I can't. So let's get into what the potential projects are, and then you can tell me down below in the comments what you want to see me do. Okay? Let's go. Many things. So many things. You guys have to decide, because I can't. Come on. So the first of the potential projects is the now infamous shop stool. We'll do pros and cons. We'll do the pluses and minuses of each project, and then you guys can vote down in the comments. The plus side of finishing this one would be that it's the biggest and most in my way thing of all these projects, and that would have it out of my way. It's also kind of a running joke at this point how long this has taken me, so maybe that joke would end by finishing it. On the minus side, it's the thing I have the least use for. I started it when I needed a shop stool. I now have a shop stool and in fact have just been offered another one by a friend of mine. So this isn't even probably going to get used for what it was intended to get used for. It's the one I want to finish the least. It's the one that's going to bring me the least joy to be working on. And it's probably the only one that I'm not even going to have. I'm not even going to use it afterwards. I'll probably give it to my parents or something as a bar stool. So I probably won't even end up having this piece of furniture after I finish it, and it will bring me the least amount of enjoyment to finish it. But that's option number one. Let's talk about option number two. So option number two is finishing up the wall cabinet that I started a little while ago on the channel. I've got a video of building this carcass, and now I got to put a door in here and some drawers down here, and this one will be done. The plus side of finishing this one next would be that I get multiple videos out of that. I would do a video on making and fitting a frame and panel door, and then I do a video on making and fitting the drawers, and then I get a video on making the whole project, so an entire build video. On the con side of doing that, I guess there really isn't any. I would enjoy that process. I would like to have this finished. I will put it into use. So I guess there really isn't a negative side to picking this one next. So I just figured that out. That's pretty cool. So this one, there's no negatives and only positives. But do you want to see me build a door and drawers? I don't know. Maybe that's something you want to see. Option number three is to finish the sister guitars. I have two partially completed guitars that I decided to finish after finding a couple of started body blanks when I was cleaning up my house that I had completely forgotten about from back when I first started making things out of wood. I found these two body blanks and decided to actually finish making them into guitars. They're pretty close to the same level of doneness. This one needs a pickup cavity, and they would be about the same in terms of their states of completion. They are probably they have the most left to do on them out of the three projects in terms of the time allotment. And they're really not needed. I don't need any more guitars. The one and only guitar I've ever made, I made in 2020 and has been played for a grand total of about 22 minutes. I don't play a lot of electric guitar, and so finishing these while they will be cool, will not serve that big of a purpose in my life. But I would have 2 more guitars, I guess. That's option number 3. Finish the guitars. So we've got shop stool, wall cabinet, sister guitars, and then option number 4 is leave all of these things in their current state and start a new project, which is an electric bass guitar that I have had commissioned from friend of the show, Sean McGill. Wants a bass guitar in exchange for his cello, which I would like. I mentioned that I wanted a cello. He said, I have a cello I don't want. I don't need a cello, but I want one. He doesn't want his cello, but he wants a bass guitar. So I said I'd make him a bass guitar and trade him. So that's option number 4, is none of the above. Make the bass guitar to trade for a cello. I don't know. I'm going to let you guys decide. Leave me comments down below which of those 4 things you want to see as my next major project here on the channel. I do have a couple of small things that I want to get made before I get into another major thing, or get back into another major thing, but they may or may not even be recorded for the channel. So let me know. That's it for this one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. We'll see you next time. Please tell me what to finish or make. I'm in the paralysis mode. I can't decide what to do. I'm going to let you guys. Bye for now. I have too many things either currently in process somewhere, or that I want to / need to make. Oh my God. You should spend more time waking up and drinking coffee before you do this. I want to hear from you folks about which project I should do / complete / it is also it's the running joke that I still haven't completed it. So maybe, no, it won't. I was going to say it'll keep people from making fun of me for how long it's taking, but they'll just move to making fun of me for how long it has taken, or did take. It'll. The last time we saw this, I built the carcass of it in a video here on the channel, and I need to put a door in here and some drawers down here. So this one just stopped talking. Just stopped in the middle of the sentence. Option number 2 is the wall cabinet. We saw me build this carcass few months ago, a little while ago. Actually quite a while ago now. 6 months? Has it been 6 months? It's probably been 6 months. Partially finished guitars that are related to each other. They have come from, I found a couple of guitar body blanks when I was cleaning up my shop, or cleaning up my house. Be better.